Meaning of Estonia.
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 Estonia. Estonia is a northern European country bordered by the Baltic Sea, Gulf of Finland, Latvia, and Russia. It is known for its strong technology sector, with Skype and TransferWise being two notable companies founded there. Estonia gained independence from the Soviet Union in 1991 and has since become a member of the European Union, NATO, and the United Nations. The country has a population of around 1.3 million people and its capital city is Tallinn. It is also home to many islands and forests, making it a popular destination for nature enthusiasts.